Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can unlock your home screen layout on Samsung. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So what you'll need to do is open up settings and just scroll down until you come to home screen. So you want to click on that. And again, if you scroll down a little bit, you should see lock home screen layout. And this just means prevent items on the home screen from being removed or repositioned. So obviously if you have certain apps on there that you don't want on anymore, all you'll need to do is just toggle that button off and that will unlock your home screen layout. Thanks for watching.